All right. My buddy Matt, best man at my wedding. It's the first time he has been in this car since its new engine. It's the first time he's been in this car since 2019 when I bought it.
Yeah.
First reaction to the cool sounds that it makes.
Oh, it does do the stew. It does the stew. I like that.
It's not bad, eh?
Sounds a lot better than last time.
Yeah, no, it used to be just like a fart can making barely 100 horsepower. Now it makes all the sounds.
It's pretty, I gotta say, the work you've done on it definitely shows by the sound.
Right?
Yeah.
It also doesn't overheat, unlike the last time you were in it. And the engine's running real hot. Like real hot.
Oh, the last time I was in it was wintertime.
Yeah. It was, what, like December? Matt drove this car up to the cottage where I was working on it on a trailer towed by his F-150, and we got hit with this brutal snowstorm. It's a good thing he knows how to drive, or else we'd have lost the car guaranteed.
I got a flat tire.
Yeah, that's true. That was a rough go.
Yeah.
That was a rough go.
I was taking photos that day, and there's a photo of my truck with a flat tire before we realized.
Oh, it's funny, but it's
At least it was a slow leak, so we got home.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would have sucked.
Yeah, we were a long way away from anything.
Oh, yeah. This camera's super heavy.
All right, let's call it. I have no idea what I'm doing.
Oh, great.
Let's give her on this here corner.
This is the one where you usually give her.
There we go.
The opaline instilling confidence right there.
Nope. No confidence here.